How can you adjust how information is seen in a spreadsheet? The ability to adjust your view in business is really important. The best people can quickly zoom out to get a broad perspective of any situation or problem. Then they can zoom in and see specific details. We can do the same with Excel. Let's open up the file List of Boston Prospects. The top of the file has headings for every column, and these headings are useful to understand the information below them, and they work great for looking at the top rows. However, if you page down to see data at the bottom of the file, the column headings all roll off the screen, and they're kind of meaningless. How do we keep these headings around while we scroll through the file? The answer is something called split view. Split view divides a worksheet up into either 2 or 4 sections. Let's split the master spreadsheet into 2 views first. To begin, click on cell A2, and then click View in the ribbon. Follow that by clicking Split. A gray bar will appear that separates row 1 from row 2. We can now scroll through the data while keeping all the headings visible. To get back to a single view, click a second time on Split under View. Sometimes you have a wide data set. For wide data sets, often I want to see both the top headings and the left side information, like the type of store. To see both, do a 4-quadrant split. Put your cursor this time in cell B2, then click View in the ribbon. Follow that by clicking Split. If you did it right, a gray bar will separate row 1 from row 2, and a gray column will separate column A from all the other columns. To make the 4 quadrants disappear, click on Split again. Boston is famous for being the starting point of the American Revolutionary War. One of the first organized battles took place in 1775 in Charlestown on Bunker Hill. It was a day-long fight that ended with the British capturing the hill. However, they took such heavy casualties, the American forces felt they won the day. 50 years after the battle, Bostonians started building a giant granite obelisk to commemorate the fight. There's a great view of Boston from the top. Just be prepared to walk up almost 300 steps to see the sights, since there's no elevator. Besides splitting a view, you can also create separate windows for another kind of perspective. This is useful when multiple files or worksheets are all open. You can even do it with just one worksheet. Let's create 2 windows. First, click on View in the ribbon, and then click New Window. You'll not see much difference until you pick Arrange All. I like to vertically arrange all windows since I'm a tall, skinny guy, but you might prefer tiled, horizontal, or even the cascade effect. Excel has lots more tricks in controlling spreadsheet views. A popular one that I'll leave for you to try and experiment with is called freezing a pane. It's next to Split. Try it. I'm sure you'll like it. Well, that's it for this video. My name's Zargosky. We went over controlling windows and panes, which let you see data in a variety of views. Thanks for viewing this video. I hope it gave you a different perspective.